Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and as you can see today we have a special guest instructor, Bboy Germy. He will be running through with us the 3 common mistakes that you will experience while learning the one-handed air baby. Germy, please.
Thanks, Aaron. What's up guys, this is Bboy Germy from Cool Asian Tutorials and the legendary Air Force crew. I'm out here in Singapore with my friend Aaron and Breakdance Decoded, and today we're going to go over the 3 most common mistakes that you'll encounter when learning the one-handed air baby. The first mistake is not placing your knee high up enough on your arm. When you enter the one-handed air baby, you should begin by placing your knee as high up as you possibly can on your arm instead of being close to your elbow. The second mistake is not entering the freeze at your optimal balance point. To enter this freeze correctly, you should begin with your arm already attached to your knee. The third mistake is not compensating for your non-master leg with your non-master arm. In order to maintain balance in the one-handed air baby, you need to make sure that your non-master arm is matching whatever position your non-master leg is. If your non-master leg is straight, your non-master arm should also be straight. I just wanted to note that this is a more advanced freeze and will take some time to learn, but if you continue working hard and practicing at the move, then you'll be able to get it no problem. While you practice the move, it is very important to approach the move when trying to practice with the optimal form. And for the optimal form of the air baby, you want to have your non-master leg completely straight and at a downward angle, while having your non-master arm also straight and at an upward angle. This is the ideal form because it will allow you to balance into the freeze most easily and also maintain control. And along with that, it is the most efficient body position to allow you to generate momentum, which you'll need to transition into other freezes and moves.